Yeah, so hello and welcome back. So now let's make about display. So what I do is I'll go to the routing module and display component. So first I'll inject my service private product service of type product service, and let me hold some variables to have a data. So let's say products of type product view array is equal to an empty array as product view array. And if you want to hold any error message, let's say public error message of type string or undefined. Okay, so when the page loads, I need to get data from the server. So this dot product service dot get all products dot subscribe. So here you will receive data from the server. So you receive a data products view array. So this dot products is equal to the data. That's done. And if you have any problem in fetching data, then you get the error. So let's have error. So let's say this dot error message is equal to error. Okay, that's it. So you receive data in the products variable, and this variable I wanted to display somewhere. Can we have some pre-tag? This for confirmation products of type JSON. Let's check. I'm sorry. Yeah, see, you got data. ID updated, everything has come. Super. So this particular data I have to loop through instead of these guys. So can we cut all the remaining things? This not required. This guy not required. This guy not required. So I have only one card. Replace and loop it. So how you loop? I write here star ng for let product of products. So 3, because we have in database 3 products, so 3. And what else? Yeah, image src, I don't need this. Src product dot image, so that you get 3 different images. Yes, perfect. Onions, carrot, tomato, as per my database. Onion, carrot, tomato. And the names and prices. Name dynamically product dot name, and the price product dot price. You can also make a filter of currency INR. So Indian rupees, 56 Indian rupees, like that. And the quantity goes to be product dot quantity. Yes, you get onions, carrot, and tomatoes its own data. That's perfect. Okay, and same story, the same amount of data also to be displayed in admin page in a tabular format. So why can't you do that? Same story, right? So can we go to the product admin component? So let's make a same story. So private product service of type product service, and let's hold data exactly same, right? So why can't you bring it from here? Let's copy them in admin, paste it. Same story, right? Only thing is here we need a tabular format, and there we need a card format. That's all. Okay, so I got data. So this data display in a table. So you have one table row. So let's make a loop. So star ng for let product of products. So what happened? You get 3 rows. But what about serial number? Yeah, serial number goes to be product dot underscore ID. The unique ID is serial number. A very big ID. If you want to have last 5 digits, dot substring of product dot underscore id dot length minus 5, last 5 characters. Come on. It shows some error. Product dot underscore id. Come on. Product dot underscore id dot length minus 5. Correct, no? Uh, what's the problem? Okay, so I'll do one thing. I just create a function, public get id. Okay, get product id. So what this function does is it will take product id of type string and return something else. That way you try return product id. Uh, I think it's a string, right? Oh, if it is string dot substring of product id dot length minus 5. Okay, something like this. I made a calculation in the TypeScript file so that I can manage it here. Get product id of my product dot underscore id. If this is the case, still the problem. Come on. I removed, right? Something weird. Get product id of product dot underscore id. Product dot underscore id is not a object or what? Okay, I'll make like this star ng if product dot underscore id. If it is there, then you can make. Oh, that's fine. Oh, I'll tell you the problem is in the product, right? ID I just taken as question mark, so it can be undefined, it can be string. So that's the problem. Okay, I got it. Uh, src. So can I have a real image? Src will be product dot image. You get the image and name, price, quantity. So let's make a name product dot name, and here product dot price of type a currency of Indian currency, and lastly you have this guy product dot quantity. Okay, perfect. So you have a home page, products page, admin page. Okay, we have 3 products. Can we try the insertion again? Can we try something called something is there? Yeah, capsicum is there. We can try. So copy image address. I'll go to create new. As of now, 3. Database also 3. Yeah, create new. I'll say capsicum. Okay, paste it. 56 rupees 20 for curry. Okay, let's create. Now you have 4. See capsicum. Go to products. See you have capsicum. You go database. Refresh capsicum. Wow, successful. We have inserted the data, 4 records from database, and here also 4 records from database. The next step is we have to make a update and delete operation. So let's make that part in the next video. Thank you.